Hey guys, I have something new and I think pretty cool from a company that I have covered already, and I'm excited to show you guys. And the company's name is Green Beard Grooming, and they have a kit that is called their Bearded Roots Carrier Oil Test Kit. Now, this is something that I think will be a really cool beard product experience, but also has the potential to really help the planet out. So I'm going to go through this and give you guys all the information I think you need to know if you want to help this program out and make a purchase or a backing. And to begin with, hopefully you saw in the title of this video, it is a Kickstarter. I've done a couple Kickstarter campaigns on this channel, and essentially what that means is you are backing a project before it is in existence. You're helping them get going, and then you get some rewards based on how much you are pledging or giving to them. So this idea is that and the whole theme of this company is being not economic, eco-friendly, environmentally friendly, and helping out the world and trying to make it a better place. And it's big on being green and planting trees. So how much you spend and how much you contribute, more trees you get planted. And this year, the trees are going to be planted in the United States, mainly California. I think they have Colorado and a couple other areas that they're doing. The first program that I did with this company, they're planted in Australia, and that was the one where you showed the different kinds of combs that would break down with nature. I'll put it up in the corner right here. I think it's over here, one of these two corners from YouTube, and it'll give you guys a link to that original video so you can check it out. So what is this kit? Well, it goes from $16 to $60 depending on what you want to put in there. It can be 4 oils, it can be a couple combs and oils, it can be a t-shirt and oils. It just depends. You get to pick on there what you want to back. So first off, it has this really cool recyclable case. Of course, it wouldn't make too much sense if they were giving you something that wasn't eco-friendly. And then you open it up. And the first thing that I like to show in here is that for my kit, I've had 9 trees that have been planted in my name, and these are going to be planted in California. And so right in that kit, you get that little sticker there, which is really cool. All right, they also have some scorecards, and I'll get to that in just a second. And look at this. I think I might try to throw up some pictures here. I'm not really good with B-roll and all that stuff, but I'm learning, so I should be able to throw in just a little bit here. But take a look at this kit. How cool is that presentation, you guys? It has the carrier oils, it has the combs, it's got this like grass type filler in there. When I opened that up, I messaged the owner right away, Ryan. I was like, dude, you crushed it with the presentation. So let's get into the details here. So you have these score sheets on here, and these score sheets allow you to take different notes based on your experiences with these different oils in here. It has a backside that has just like cool note-taking capabilities, but on here it has the different carriers that would come in your pack, and then it allows you to rate them based on how they absorb, what the consistency is like, the softness, how it is with your skin in general. So really cool to be able to kind of document and not just think about those. Now let's get into the oils. They have, I think, a 4-pack that you can go with. They have a 6-pack you can go with, and they are some of my favorites and the most common carriers that are out there. I did help this company give some suggestions on what carriers I would like to see in this, and they pretty much use those, which is really cool. So for example, one of them is argan oil that I have in here, and these are a 10 milliliter bottle here, aka 1/3 of an ounce. So if you have a bottle of beard oil, cut it into a third. So for me, this is 3 bottles of beard oil here, right? No, 2. Good thing I teach math, guys. 1/3, I have 6 of them. This is 2 bottles of beard oil, which just keep that in mind when you're thinking about price and everything adding up. So I have argan oil, I have sweet almond oil, I have fractionated coconut oil. You're like, all right, these are all some of Dan's favorites. Yes, I think they're amazing. Jojoba oil, meadow foam seed oil, and then also hemp seed oil. With these last 2 probably being the more expensive ones, the least common ones out of the variety. And the idea here is that you can test out these carriers and see how they react with your beard. See what the properties of them are like. So when you're shopping for beard products, you kind of get an idea of what each one does. You can put them in there individually, but what I think is gonna be a really cool kind of feature of this kit, and I don't think the company even intended on this, is you get to create your own base in your hand. put in some drops of hemp seed oil, and then add in some argan oil, and then maybe 1 drop of meadow foam seed oil, and you get to become the mad scientist. You get to work on the ratios, make it thinner, make it thicker, see what it does for your beard. That is super cool. Not everybody has the ability to go buy a big bottle of carrier oils, or you don't know the supplier, what's gonna be good. These are quality ones. He really put in work when he was looking for a supplier, and these are really good size, so it gives you a chance to be able to kind of experiment and play around there. So I love this. You guys know I'm an ingredient nerd. I'm an ingredient freak. So for me, this is like a kid in a candy shop, and I love candy too, of course. But also in my kit here is he has 2 different styles of combs, 3 of these bamboo combs, which I covered both of these style of combs in my other video, and these are super cool. These can be left outside. They break down with nature. They're biodegradable, and they're meant to be like throwaway combs. They're supposed to be a replacement for those black plastic combs that everybody has and gets and doesn't worry about losing them. That would be this kind of deal. It's kind of a comb that you can use, but if it breaks or you lose it, no big deal. And then they have their sandalwood combs. These are the folding combs. These were super popular from that first video. Look at that beautiful green there. That is the type of sandalwood that they used. And you can smell it. It smells wonderful. I'm not the biggest fan of sandalwood as a scent in a beard oil, but I love it in a comb. It is just a really cool folding comb. That's something that you can put in your car, something that you can impress people with, and that comes in my kit here as well. And then again, has that kind of like grass in the background. How cool is that? I might save that for like some pictures or something. I thought that was pretty neat. All right, so again, yeah, this goes from $16 to $60. I think this one is more in the upper range, but I don't have the t-shirt, so it wouldn't be going for that much with those. And we do have a giveaway. I'm going to save that for the very end here, guys. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to check my notes, see if I missed anything with my talking here. I know this project really well, but I did want to write some stuff down to make sure I covered it. So I'm going to come back to you guys in 2 seconds. We'll wrap it up and I'll give you the details on the giveaway. I was so close. I have one last thing I need to cover before the giveaway and to wrap it all up. That would be the timeline. So as I said at the very beginning, this is a Kickstarter, meaning the program is not live yet. You are backing it, bringing it into existence, and birthing this great project for you guys, for the planet, for the company, for everyone. Now, the timeline would look at shipping these out in mid-November to early December. The reason why is they got to get everything ready, they got to get the kits, but they do want to make sure that these are going out in time for the holiday season. So if you win the giveaway, you're gonna need to wait until about mid-November, late November, or if you order one. So just be patient there. Sometimes the craziest emails and messages are like, hey, I ordered on Monday. Why isn't my package here on Wednesday? This is not Amazon Prime right here. This is something that's gonna take a little bit. And if you're backing it, just please know that. Otherwise, you're gonna be messaging and it's gonna be like, hey, we gotta go back to the video and show you the timeline. And everything is on the website. I'll throw the Kickstarter website in the description. Of course, they've got videos on there. They have really cool graphics. So check that out if you guys have any questions, and you're welcome to ask me. So first thing is the giveaway. We're giving away this exact kit right here. The 4 different combs. We have 6 carrier oils, the scorecards, the trees planted in your name, which I think is the coolest thing ever. I still have my certificate from the very first round where I had the trees planted in Australia. So all you need to do to enter this giveaway is do 2 things. Number 1, verify that you are subscribed to this channel. You cannot win a giveaway on this channel if you're not subscribed. I hope you guys know that makes sense. Number 2, comment down below, and this is your official entry. What is your favorite tree and why? For me personally, I love the white birch tree. I've always just thought it is beautiful. I love the smell of birch trees. Unfortunately, Sam is allergic, so it's kind of a double-edged sword, but I still think it's an absolutely beautiful tree, especially when you're driving up North Michigan. You've seen them line the roads, just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So drop that down below, guys, and that will give you your entry into this giveaway. And please, if you have any other thoughts, leave your normal comments down below. What did you think about this program, this video? Do you have any questions for me, for the company? Do you have any experience with this company and the projects that they've been doing? Please enlighten us, drop it down, and we'll be able to help you guys out. If you have questions, we'll be able to elaborate and praise. If you have comments, anything at all, guys. Thank you so much. I think this one's pretty unique and pretty cool, and I hope you enjoyed the video. DanCBearded, stay bearded and stay positive.